Okay, so I have to do a lesson on for something with English, and I'm going to do parts of speech. Objectives of my lesson plan to be the students will identify the form of speech, and the students will use iPads to show their understanding. This that we're looking at right now is the website I plan to go over prior to them um, doing this little project. It's just a bunch of lists of different words and different words that we'll see maybe around our school when we use our iPads. Um, I would always go over something like this with them prior to using iPads about how we use the iPad by holding it with our two hands. We always sit it down, but for our case, we would be allowed to carry it around the school. We'd have to be very careful. We'd have to be very careful with the screen, make sure we don't crack it, make sure we always turn it off when we're done, and when we're talking to others, because we need to look them in the eyes. And when we got back to the classroom, I would use Smartboard and have a little game up there where the students can um, play and have their, I guess, the words I found around the school pop up and have to come up with different sentences.